Ever wonder how you can skyrocket your TikTok following to over 140K in less than 2 months? It's actually simpler than it seems. Today, I'm about to spill the beans on 5 algorithm hacks that guarantee success. These tricks took me from 0 to a massive following. Stick around till the end, because the last hack not only got me millions of views, but also paved the way for 2 passive income streams. Some of my videos hit a whopping 20 million views. Let's talk about the crucial first step, finding your viral niche. This is where the secrets start unveiling themselves. Finding your viral niche. Starting a TikTok page without a proper niche can make growing your audience an uphill battle. You don't want to be showing football clips from 2020 when everyone's eager for the latest action. Finding a viral niche is key. Here's how I did it and how you can too. Spend time browsing TikTok. Observe what's trending and analyze the engagement levels within various niches. It's okay to take a week or more to pinpoint the right niche. My breakthrough came when I stumbled upon a crime case video that was gaining traction. People were heavily engaged, and that's when I knew I had struck gold. I put my spin on it by using animated AI photos instead of stock images, and that's how my journey took off. Long videos matter. Choosing a viral niche is a great start, but it's not the sole ticket to going viral. Through years of managing theme pages, I've discovered that longer videos have a higher likelihood of going viral. Why? It's all about how TikTok's algorithm functions. TikTok wants users to stick around, which keeps their platform thriving and profitable. When you upload longer videos, the algorithm notices that you're keeping users engaged and rewards you by pushing your content to a wider audience. However, this doesn't mean compromising on video quality. A high-quality short video is better than a low-quality long video. Create longer videos with quality content to keep your viewers hooked and watching, drawing inspiration. Just having a TikTok account won't shoot your videos to stardom. To make your content go viral, you need ideas that resonate with your audience. How? Taking a page from the book of viral TikToks is a smart move. It's like peeking behind the curtain to understand the magic tricks. What makes these videos so magnetic? It's not about copying them word for word. It's about dissecting the recipe for their success. Inspiration from viral TikToks isn't about copying. It's about learning the secret language of captivating your audience in the digital world. Stay consistent. Here's the golden rule for a successful TikTok journey. Consistency is king. No excuses. Even if you're busy, make time to post every single day. Even if your videos get minimal views, keep posting. I remember my second week on my viral account. It was a ghost town with 0 views. But I didn't give up. Consistency is the key to keep your audience hooked and hungry for more. TikTok's algorithm loves consistent creators, pushing your content to more eyes and potentially attracting new followers. Weekly improvement. Ever noticed how even the biggest TikTok stars started with not-so-great videos? It's a journey. No one starts with 1 million views from day one. The secret sauce? Improve one thing every week. It could be as simple as changing text colors, learning a new editing trick, or upgrading your green screen. So take it one step at a time. It's a gradual process of honing your skills and style. Trust me, these little improvements add up to something incredible. Following these 5 algorithm hacks will surely give your page a viral boost. But hey, don't forget to subscribe.